Okay, today I would like to show you a new laptop, Toshiba Satellite L630 40.168 and I would like to show you how to change battery in this laptop. It's again very easy. Just turn back and you have one clip here and another one here, so you need to just put out both of these clicks, both of these buttons, and battery pushing out. So I try to do this, so like this and like this, so you can see it's really very easy. And pushing out batteries here. Now you can see battery out and up to without battery. And if you buy new battery, or if you want to use the same again, just take this battery and push inside like this. So it's very easy for everyone. Thank you for the watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. See you soon.